All right, here's something I want you to think about, the difference between outcomes and strategies to get to outcomes. Inevitably, if I ask a group of salespeople, I say, well, give me your first step in a sales call. Everybody says the same thing. Oh, you want to build rapport. Okay, well, rapport is an outcome. What actually goes into building rapport? For what I teach and what I do, you got resonating statements, position statements. I use DISC. I do a lot of research ahead of time to find out who they are and what they're into. I use NLP. I use matching modalities, meaning pace, tone of voice, body language. There's all these elements that go into building rapport. So what are the techniques that you use? And think about that through any part of your strategy. Well, I want to build credibility. Well, that's an outcome. How? What are the steps? I want to build trust. Well, that's an outcome. What are the steps? I use deficit questions to do those things. So think about your strategy into the next year. What are the steps you need to take to achieve the outcomes you want?